This is how you can make $100 every single day using only 2 AI tools. You don't need any money to get started, and you don't need any experience either. All you need is just 30 minutes of your time each day, and our lines show you exactly what to do step by step. So first things first, AI isn't taking your job. It's giving you a new one, so instead of worrying about the robots rising up and killing us all, let's focus on how we can use AI to our advantage. So here are 3 different ways that you can start making money today using AI. So we're going to repeat the process of asking for chapters and then downloading the text from ChatGPT. Head back over to Canva and search for illustrations. We're going to choose these ones because they match the vibe of the ebook. Simply click on them and drag and drop them onto the Google Doc. Once you've got all the chapters written out, you can simply copy and paste them into a Google Doc like so. For the font, I recommend sans serif fonts like Lotto, Roboto, or Montserrat. Next, head over to Gumroad and sign up for an account. It's completely free and you can have your ebook up and running in no time. Simply click on Create, then choose Ebook. Then we're going to upload the PDF and add a description and a price. I recommend starting with $4.99 or $9.99. Then choose a thumbnail for the ebook. This will be the main image that people see when they browse Gumroad. So make sure it's high quality and attention-grabbing. Finally, click on Publish. Just keep it nice and simple. Set the margins to 2.5 centimeters on all sides and the spacing to double-line spacing. Your ebook is now live and you can start making money from every download. Every time someone buys your ebook, you'll get paid instantly. And the best part is you only have to create the ebook once. After that, it will continue to sell forever without any additional work required. Now we can export the Google Doc as a PDF, and if you want to take things to the next level, you can start creating multiple books on different topics. Don't forget to follow for more AI money-making tips. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And the more books you create, the more money you will make. Just go to File, then Download, then choose PDF Document. This will be the foundation of your ebook. First, you can use ChatGPT to write scripts, Canva to design books and then sell them on Gumroad. So head back over to ChatGPT and ask it to generate a table of contents for a guide to starting a small business. That's pretty good. There's a lot there, so now we're just going to ask it to write an introduction for the same ebook. And we'll put in some keywords to help it along, so let's ask ChatGPT for some ideas. I asked it to give me 5 ideas for profitable books, and these are the results. Now, I know this may seem boring, but no, 4, 5, 8, 9, and 10 are actually really good. So let's go with number 4, which is a guide to starting a small business. Or you can automate content for blogs or even YouTube Shorts. The possibilities are really endless, but for the sake of simplicity, I'm going to show you how to create an ebook and sell it on Gumroad. First, we're going to need a good idea. The next step is to create the ebook cover. So head over to Canva and search for ebook cover. This is the one that I've made before. Let's duplicate it by clicking on this little button at the top. Then it's just a case of changing the text and the colors to match your ebook. When you're done, click on Share and then Download. Now we have an ebook cover. We need a couple of more pages for the actual ebook itself. So while the introduction is being written, let's add some more pages for the rest of the ebook. Next, we're going to add some images to break up the text and make it more visually appealing. Final step is to format the ebook. So select everything, then go to Format, then choose the size and orientation. I prefer Portrait. And congratulations, you've just created an ebook in less than 30 minutes. And that's it. So if you follow this tutorial, you could have an ebook up and running in no time. So, what are you waiting for? Take action today and start making passive income with AI.